Hey everyone, and welcome to another Pokemon Productions unboxing video. This time, I'm going to be unboxing something new. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Ninjakon from Power Rangers Ninja Storm. Now, this is a truly mysterious Zord from the Wind Academy. I know what you're thinking. This was never in Ninja Storm. And you're right. This is a toy exclusive. It basically just looks like a repainted Ninja from Mighty Morphin Season 3. But we have got the Ninja Storm logo and Ninjakon on the side. And we've got the box art there and the sides and the logos, that sort of thing. And there's the actual thing itself on the back. So I've heard about these little retro Zord boxes. Apparently they look like something from the past. But we'll see what it is in just a minute, as soon as I open the thing up. Some instructions there. Oh! Oh my word. It actually looks like a VHS tape. That's actually really cool. Oh, and I think we've got the thing itself in this packaging. We've got the thing here. Let's see. And here's Ninjakon. Now, yes, this is essentially a Ninja repaint. And it does come with this sword, and I think that just plugs into the back, like so. There we are. You can either have it like, you can put it anyway like that or that. Got some articulation on the arms and the hands, right there. So yeah, it really does, it basically is Red Ninja. And since this is Red Ninja, I imagine it can do all the things he can do. So, for starters, I'll just take this off for a minute. Yep, the arms flip up like that. And the legs pop down. And I think there was something here. Oh yeah, a different head. That's essentially Ninja's battle mode. So we'll now get this. We can pull it out, and there's the sword. Just about fits in. There we go, and there's the sword for Ninjakon. And I think this piece should fit on here at some point. No, I don't think it does. But I suppose you could use it as a bat, kind of like the Green Samurai Ranger does. But yeah, that's essentially Ninjakon. It isn't really that much aside from just a Ninja repaint, but it does look cool, I will say this. So let's change him back. If I can. Gonna have to figure out ways to change him back. But yeah, that's basically Ninjakon right there. It is a really cool figure, I have to say. And I highly recommend you pick up one of these if you want to have a exclusive Zord. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.